Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a flip chart in Google Slides. So the first thing you're going to do is create a new Google Slide presentation. So you'll just click on the plus. And then you're going to change the page size. So you go to File, Page Setup, and change this to Custom, and then 8.5 by 11. Click Apply. All right, and then what I do is I create a blank document and I get rid of this first one because that's faster than deleting all the stuff on there that you don't need. So you have this blank document here, and then you are going to need, for this presentation, you're going to need 9 additional pages. So I just go ahead and copy them and create 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so you have all those done. So go back to your first page and you are going to make your tabs. Now I would start with the tabs that you need first and get those the size that you want. So you're going to click on Shapes and then the square or rectangle, and you're going to make it the size that you want. So whatever size that is, where did it go? Okay, and then pick a color. So you would click this, which is fill color, and just start with a color. It doesn't matter. Then you're going to click on this and copy that shape. And then you need 8 more of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to add them on top of what you already had and change the color. So that each one is different, just like if you were making a flip chart in class. It doesn't matter the colors, whatever you like. I'm just going right across the top of the colors. And that's 9. Okay, so that doesn't leave you a lot of room for the top. So we're going to resize these to make them smaller, which is kind of a pain, but it's okay. I mean, you could measure them if you wanted to and make sure they were exactly the same size, but I don't think that's necessary. You can just kind of eyeball it. Whoops. Okay, and then that leaves this top space for the top of for the cover. And you're just going to make the shape and then fill that in with the color that you haven't used. Green's my favorite color, we'll pick green. Okay, and here's where you can put in your text to create title page. And you can make that bigger. And center it, make it nice. Okay, and then you're going to add a text box for each of these tabs as well. So I'm going to pause I'm going to do one, and then I'll pause the video and come back to the next step. So you just click on the T, make a little text box here, and we'll call this page 1. And you can put it in the center if you want to. Okay, now that you have each of your tabs labeled with whatever it is that you're wanting to label them, you're going to go to your pages. And you want to make the background of your pages match the tabs from your presentation. So this page, we're going to click on it, click background and the color, and we're going to make it match and click done. We're going to do this for each of these pages. So if you went in order, this makes this easier to know what color to make your pages. Now that you have your cover of your flipbook done and your individual pages, you're going to go back to this title page, click on page 1, and then you're going to add or insert a link. So you can do that here or you can do it up here, either way. So if you do it here, you click insert link, and you're going to, instead of putting in a hyperlink here, you're going to put in I'm sorry, not a hyperlink, but a web page. You're going to put in slides in this presentation. And you're going to click slide 2, because slide 2 over here is the correct slide. Then this one, you're going to go through and do that for each of your slides. So this one will go to slide 3, apply. Okay. Now that you have started in doing your links, you're going to link each page to, or each tab to the correct page. And once you have that done, then you would go back and you would add your information onto your page. So you would do that by doing a text box or a picture or whatever you wanted. And you would type in my information, whatever your information is. Okay, then when you go to present this, let me show you what this looks like. So you have your flipbook, and when you click on page 1, it goes to page 1 and it has the information. Go to page 2, here's page 2 and it has the information. And so each of your tabs would correspond to the correct page. And that is how you make a flipbook in Google Slides. You could add your title here. Make sure that when you go to share it, click share, and make sure that this is set to anyone with the link. Done. Then you can get the link here, or you can actually publish it and embed it into your assignment. Either way, but that's how you do the flipbook in Google Slides.